ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Sadhana Panchakam, verse number 2. Sangha satsu vidhiyatam bhagavato bhaktir dridhadhiyatam shantyadif parichiyatam dridhataram karmashu santyajyatam sadvidvanupasarpyatam pratidinam tatpaduka sevyatam ब्रह्मैकाक्षरमर्थ्यतां श्रुतिशिरो वाक्यं समाकर्ण्यताम्. Here in verse number 2, one of the first things is look for a right peer group, support group. The earlier verse dealt with learning of the Veda, the words, the meaning, and equipping oneself in the studenthood brahmacharya ashrama. It also talked about how one must do one's duties in the grihastha ashrama, the second stage of life. Now we are entering into the third stage, in which he makes it very clear that the support group is a very important component of the spiritual journey. Sangaha Satsu. With good people, may you associate yourself. May you associate yourself with people who are committed to the same line of thinking, who are also seekers, with whom you can exchange. You can talk about your own struggles, your own obstacles, your own breakthroughs. And so here, the Sangha, the association, if the association is good, the outcome, your own life is good. If the association people we deal with is mediocre, then my life, my philosophy will also be mediocre. And of course, if my peer group are really not in any such pursuit, is an association which is wrong or unhealthy for spiritual pursuit, then the outcome is going to be really, I will be caught deeper in the karmic cycles. And therefore, Sangaha Satsu Vidhiyatam. Dridhataram Karmashu Santyajyatam. When you find good support group, then it is time to release yourself from your ties, karmic ties. And so Ashu, quickly, Karmashu Santyajyatam. May you, with no doubt in your mind, be ready to move to the next step. Here, the seeker has really come to a very, very difficult situation. What is the difficult situation? The difficult situation is that he is left his home, but he has not found his direction. And therefore, a peer group is there to talk to, all right, but that is not enough. One needs to deepen one's own devotion. One needs to ask for, pray for the the teacher, the right guidance to come to you. And hence he says in the next step, Bhagavato bhaktihi dridha dhiyatam. So may you have bhakti, devotion towards the Lord. Establish firmly. How do you establish devotion? Well, it is a matter of Shraddha. Devotion is a matter of Shraddha or faith. And therefore, trust. It is about trusting the universe. Trusting that I have understood the limitations of worldly pursuits with my Viveka Shakti, and I have enough Vairagya. I've understood the worldly pursuits through my discriminative capacity, discriminating permanent from impermanent. And not only that, my dispassion has helped me move away from the impermanent towards the permanent. And therefore, the call for a spiritual life or moksha is very strong in me. This being there, have a trust in the divine that the universe will deliver what you are seeking. Do not doubt that there is a cosmic intelligence which is watching you, which is wanting you, which is drawing you towards itself, and therefore the universal laws are going to guide you towards your goal. And so bhaktihi dridha bhagavataha bhaktihi dridha dhiyatam. Make your devotion firm. Use your peer group to conduct regular meetings, whether it be discussion based, inquiry, self inquiry based, whether it is collective prayer, group prayers, whether it is singing or it is group meditation. These are all processes that give you the support to enhance and deepen your devotion. Hari Om Tat Sat.